Good afternoon. We're going over a grill install. These cabinet doors were previously set up in a kitchen, and they had a kind of a yellowish glass panel in there. Kind of looked a little bit from the 70s, so customer was looking to do a little update on things. So he removed the glass panel, did some painting on the parts, and came to me for some metal grill work. So we're going to go with this side facing forward with the reeded wire on it. This is finished in a oil rub bronze to match the hardware he has. Cut these parts earlier this morning. Fits in there quite nicely. We've got a couple glazing points we're going to install first. A couple areas just to take any wiggle out of the part and secure it in place, so we can install with the hold it all in place for the silicone. That's what I'm trying to say. Now the glazing points are intended for holding glass in place. Figured it should work out quite nicely in the same to hold the metal woven grills in place. Eventually I'll come up with a better technique for holding them and pushing them in place, or not. So we've got the glazing tips pushed in a few areas. 2 of them on each side, just to snug things up, and then we'll go with some silicone to hold everything in place and keep anything from rattling. So just to secure everything, keep it from doing any rattling. This is already secured in nicely with the glazing tips. Go with some silicone. Take a video again when it's done siliconing all of this. So we've got the part siliconed all the way along the edges. And there's our clips. We siliconed over those. And should hold the part nicely and securely. Shouldn't have any rattles. Once our silicone's all dried up, I'll add a couple pictures with the front side facing forward. This is the finished grill in the cabinet after it's been painted, installed. That's the 301 pattern, oil rub bronze. Thank you.